are building a township, and later on you will be shocked surprised. Okay? Now, this is North Grove is a garden-inspired residential condominium development designed to offer a serene lifestyle, allowing Cebuanos to experience the perfect balance of modern condo living, no? And the soothing tranquility of nature. Because adto gyud ninyo nice jud bitaw kaayo. You know, I'm not saying this because this is our project, but when we were there, kanang ma-feel jud yung mga ay dili kay gubot, no? And that is what we need, a respite after our kanang the whole day nga nata sa city nga grabe kay bustling kayo, everybody is in a hurry, no? And that is a very, very nice feeling when you come home, ya inun-ana ang imuhang ma-feel. Okay? The development features two distinctive towers. Now, the two towers is just the phase 1, ha? So, Tower 1 is Lumina Tower, and then Tower 2 is what we call Terra Tower. So, nanay mga nganang mga buildings. Nganong naingan para dili masaag. Okay? Basig ang imuhang unit na sa Tower 2, ba't mo adto ka sa Tower 1? No, mangita ka hala asa na to. No, that's why the buildings have names. And then we also have retail spaces, meaning dili ra gid building atong gikuan, no? Gi-propose sa ato ang mga buyers, but we are also offering retail spaces. For example, naa kay buyer nga virtual or nag-home based lang. And then naa siya dapat i-meeting. Di na siya kinahanglan mo adto sa city, no? Sa city proper. Munaog na lang siya kay na may mga coffee shops. So can you see the convenience, no? Now I understand, yun mo mga ma'am, layo man ang Talamban, traffic man ang Talamban. Where in Cebu City now na dili traffic? Tell me, especially now, grabe na. Wala pa gani, nag-December ha, mura na siya. Taas na dyan kayo ang linya, no? Traffic means we are thriving as a city. Now, maingon mo layo ang Talamban, mas layo ang Mactan, mas layo ang Lapu-Lapu, correct? Nang Talamban is a city proper lang din na siya, no? Nalang siya sa north part. But soon lagi, as I've said again, we are positioning ourselves for the later development there in Talamban. Okay? So again, we have two towers, and then this is the location. Simple na dyan kaayo. Muagi lang ka, no? Talamban. And then there is a gym, muliko ta. So the address is in Barangay Bakayan, Cebu City. No? Cebu City. So you will pass through. In fact, no, we are very, very lucky because in this area, we have 4 schools. We have Cebu International Schools. We are near Ateneo. We are near USCTC. And we are near Montessori. So dili na kinahanglan mo ari diri sa proper Cebu City. Aside from that, we have 2 malls there, no? Na ay Gaisano Grand, mall. Mura siya, kuan lang, gamay lang siya nga mall, no? Gaisano Grand Talamban, and we have, I think, Robinsons, no? Supermarket in Times Square. And then, we are near Family Park, no? Tabor Hills, and in fact, Cebu North General Hospital. So, within pila lang ka kilometer radius, no, major establishments can be seen in this area. Okay? Now, aside from that, we've heard news, and I think it's already kanang approved, na ang kanang Bakayan diha nga street will be widened. No, it is already approved by the LGU. It's just a matter of time nga ikuha na siya, itarong na siya. So, ang gamay nga daan nga 2 lanes lang, mahimo na siyang 4 lanes, no? So, can you imagine? Karon gamay, sunod ako, nanan nakaposisyon lang ato ang mga buyers sa ato ang project. Okay? Now, this is now the details of the project. Okay? So, we have Lumina Tower, Tower 1, 12 floors, and then we have 386 units. We are offering 323 studio units and 63 one-bedroom unit. Now, please take note that ang Lumina Tower nag-offer of one-bedroom unit. Okay? Now, Tower 2, which is Terra, is composed of 16 floors. Then, we are offering all studio units, 600 143 units, and we also have parking slots. Now, kung imuhang buyer ka-afford og unit, baligyae din na ninyong parking. Kay, wala ra kahit free parking sa tanang condominium. The parking sa mga condominium projects are all for guest parking. So kung naa sila'y sakyanan, then baligyae sila o parking. Units, residential units, and for parking, we have 187 units. Again, this is just phase 1 and a partial component of the whole township. Okay, now site development plan. Unsa maning site development plan? So the site development plan will tell you the footprint of the phase 1 of North Grove, or the floor layout actually, no, of the development. So you will see there the Tower 1 lobby and then the Tower 2 lobby. So meaning naa diha ang residential condominium. Now when you go there, existing na ni anggan, kanang existing road. Even the rotonda kanang lingin, existing na siya, no? So when you get inside, on your left is where our project will be built. And good news, look at it, we have a supermarket, no? So that's 2,000 square meters na retail areas. Aside from the supermarket, on the front you've seen, no, retail. So that is where our mga coffee shops, mga laundromat, no, will be built later on. Because usually, we will kanang check man unsa nga mga businesses ang maka-lease diha para gamit sa ato ang mga unit owners, no? And can you imagine the comforts bitaw na our buyer will have when nakulangan ko asin, munaog lang ko kay maadto ko supermarket, mulakaw rin ko. It's just a doorstep away, no? So that's why I said you don't have to go far to have your grocery. It's near na lang, no? So you have there the Tower 2 lobby. Now, ang drop-off sa Tower 1 is nasa Tubangan. Okay? Ang drop-off sa Tower 2 is Mulakaw pa ka, no? Na pathway, I don't know if, dili na siya mo. Na pathway ka ng gray na street padung sa Tower 2, mao na siya ang walkway, no? Sa Tower 2. So drop-off lang ka sa Tubangan, lakaw ka. You have the supermarket, you have all the retail spaces in front. Okay, now, unsa may mga amenities. Now, the amenities is what our buyers were going to enjoy, no, or the unit owners. So, actually, we have shared amenities, no, for the two buildings, but they also have individual amenities in the building. So, most of these are shared, no, at the walkway, with Chase Lounge, lap pool, kiddie pool, pool deck, outdoor shower. We have a multi-purpose deck, and then we have a seat wall, no, kids play area, so ragnay outdoor kids play area, and then you have the mother's watch. Actually, kanang social lang ni sa nga term, kada bitaw magbantay kasi mong anak sa playground, no? Social lang siya, no? Actually. So, you have kanagitay kanang portion where mothers can also be comfortable while looking at the kids playing. And then we have the fitness station, yoga station, seating area, access ramp, lounge area, pocket garden. Now, question, can Tower 1 go to Tower 2? Actually, no, all of the unit owners will have a key card for the elevators. Kana sa hotel, bitaw na, ana lang nimo niya, pislit ka sa floor, no? Kana siya, we will give each buyer or unit owner a key card, no? Access for the elevator. Kung asa ka nga floor, adto ra gyud ka. Okay? So, the people in Tower 1 cannot go to Tower 2 and vice versa. That is for the security, no, and safety of each individual unit owners. But, dili na siya magamit sa imong unit because ang imong unit, ikaw may magbutang og lock. No? We're just providing the key card for the access in the elevator. That you can go to the lobby, you can go to the second floor, amenity areas which is shared by the two building, no? So, diha rasad ka, and then your level sa floor kung asa ka ay muhang unit. Okay? Now, these are some of the perspective, no? We have a meditation, yoga room. We have a clubhouse, no? So when there's party, you don't have to look for a venue anymore. All you need to do is call the admin and then check if available ba ang clubhouse, then diha na ka mag-party. Dili na sad sila mo adto sa layo, no? And kids play area. So take note how we have an outdoor kids play area and we also have an indoor kids play area. Okay, so this is the lap pool shared by the two buildings. And this is the roof deck, no? So kani siya diri, this is tower 1 and dito tower 2. Now, nice man nandito kay ang imuhang view na kay view of the mountain. At the same time na kay view sa amenity, no, when you go to the roof deck. So actually, we don't have to go far gani to enjoy that. When you go to Manila, kung ganahan ka mag-beach, ganahan ka mag-camping or whatever, go to the mountains, you have to travel how many hours to reach that destination. But here in Cebu City, with our project, no, nakita rin mo, naragid diha, no, and dili man na siya ma-obstruct kay mga balay man sa daan na sa kilid. Now try to go there after this presentation, after sa seminar ni Boston, para you will really feel. Now, as for the retail spaces, so this is how it looks like. No, this is the perspective. So na mga food, drink, coffee shops, and everything below the building. No? So it's very, very accessible. If you want lang, uy, saba kay ang children, I'll just go down to have a coffee, no, and relax. Okay? So, again, another perspective of the retail area. So the living spaces, meaning, these are our building features, no? So this is what you will see in the building. So we have all of this, no? Retail spaces, separate and independent residential lobbies per tower, multiple passenger elevators per tower, interconnected amenity, no, or katong shared amenities. And then we have dedicated pedestrian for the drop zones, no? Kanang magsakyanan ka niya, i-drop ka dito, drop off nga areas per tower. And then we have podium level retail and residential parking. So all our residential parkings, when we say podium, that's inside the building. Ang naa sa gawas is our guest parking. But if the buyer will buy a parking, naa siya sa building, no? Mga 3 floors siguro. Okay, 2 floors. Okay, and then we have sky garden decks. Now, the sky garden decks are infused in the building. So, dili rin siya box, no, nga, tanan unit. So, in that building na ay mga gardens na infused sa CLI sa project. Para you can, you know, chill dito, tanaw sa mga view. Okay? And then, we have, the units are combinable. For example, your buyer wants Terra Tower, but we cannot offer 1 bedroom because ang 1 bedroom, asa gani? Naa sa Tower 1. Correct? Okay? So, pwede na to makombine ang mga units. Duha ka studio, pwede mahimong 1 bedroom. Or tulo ka studios, pwede mahimong 2 bedrooms. So, combinable siya if the buyer wants it to be that way, no? And then we have large windows for Lumina Tower, unit balconies, all 1 bedroom units, and selected studio units in Lumina Tower. Okay, and then we also have hybrid air conditioning unit, no? So for those units nga naay balcony, pwede ta mo gamit og split aircon because natay kabutangan sa condenser. But for those units nga walay balcony, window type aircon, no? This is one of the important things na you also need to know when you do the selling. Kay mo sa ni question sa buyer. And then we also have garbage holding room per residential floor, no? So ang atoang garbage disposing, no, is nana siya per floor and naka-segregate. Malata, di malata, o di kasabot. Diba? So, ang tanan na dito di kasabot. Kaya di magkakasabot asa ni mo ilabay. But actually, naana siya dapit sa staircase. No? Nami room diha, anha, ibutang ato ang garbage cans nga nakasegregate. Actually, tinuod yun na nakasegregate. And then, anha na diha, i-dispose ang garbage and it will be collected every day. Para wala dyo'y reklamo ato ang mga unit owners. Okay? And then 100% backup power. Do you know when Odette hit us? No? Grabe magito, magitay kuan. Ang ato ang mga condominiums na-adjust sila yung power. Gischedule lang kay para di sa naguba ang generator. Because I think that was 1 week, no? Nga wala gintay power, no? But we were able to furnish that with our unit owners, as well as all the buildings, no? Our condominium projects. And then we have 24/7 security system. And Sipulan Masters has our own property management services. That's a subsidiary company of CLI, and we call it CLIPM. So those people managing the subdivision and the condominium units, no, nag-provide si CLI. Okay? Now, introducing Lumina Tower. So, it's a total of 12 floors, 386 units. We're offering studio and 1 bedroom. And then their own amenities is gym, game room, Zen gardens, sky garden deck, lounge deck, and multi-purpose deck. So these are the amenities that you will see in the building, no? Except aside from the shared amenity. Okay, so this is the floor layout of the amenity area. Kani illustration dyan di siya kung asa ang amenity area sa each tower, no? So for the second floor na nakashare ang some of the amenities, you have the lounge, the foyer, the game room, the fitness gym. So mo na makita ninyo sa building on the second floor. Okay? So this is the perspective of the Lumina Tower. So that is the entrance. Okay? So this is the Zen Garden exclusive for the unit owners of Tower 1 or the Lumina Tower. So ang mga nasa Tower 2, dili maka-avail ani, no? Ang katuragin na sa Tower 1. And then this is the lobby. This is the lounge area. This is the game room, no? And then they have their own gym sa Tower 1. Okay, and then the hallways. Okay, so the typical floor plans. Now the floor plans will tell you asa dapita ang unit nag-atubang, asa dapita, asa ganahan si buyer mo pili, no? Typical na gid ni siya ha, nalay mga gamay changes in each floor, but normally pareha ra gid ni siya og sizes. So if you see the kanang green and murag light green, those are all 1-bedroom units. The rest are all studios. Now, we also put amenity view, city view, mountain view. So that will guide you asa nagatubang ang unit. No? Kaya mo yung buyer, ganahan kog city view or ganahan kog amenity view. Then you will introduce this unit na nakatubang sa amenity view. So this is the the purpose why we are having this floor plan, so that your buyer can really choose the unit that they like. No? And even you, no, kamo, kabalo mo asa dapita ang units. So this is just the same, no? If you notice, kaning sa 1-bedroom no, yan ay square sa tunga. Ang meaning ana is, that is like an atrium. When we say an atrium, from ground floor padung sa pinakataas, space na siya. No? So makita nimo, no? Makita nimo from one. So mura siya a little bit exclusive kay duha ra man sila kabuok nagatbang. No? Nya ang tunga nila atrium. So iniktan-aw nimo sa makita nimo sa ubos. And what's good about that is that natural air coming in and natural light also coming in. No? So dili na siya ngit-ngit. No? Actually di man gid ngit tanan. But at least naana siya no, if your buyer wants the kanang 1-bedroom unit. Okay? So it's just the same. Now on 4th floor, you have the garden deck. So this is what I was talking about earlier, na ang garden is naka-infused sa building. No? So naay mga floors na naay garden area. Okay? So this is the 5th floor. So nasa garden deck. And then 6 to 9 floor. So ingon ganitag 6 to 9 floor, meaning from 6th floor to 9th floor, pareha ra ang kurma sa mga units. And asa ang studio, asa ang 1-bedroom. Okay, that's 10th floor with a garden deck. No? Duha pa gid ka buok. Nasa center and nasa kilid. And then 11th floor. And these are the residential unit types. Okay? So, normally, Sibulan Masters will deliver the unit finished, meaning it is already livable. No? Kung ma-turnover na, pwede ra gyud ni buyer that on aniyang mga appliances and things, pwede na siya makapuyo. No? And so far, so you say finished, meaning it's livable already. Okay, so all of that, they will expect when we deliver the units. Okay, now this is the typical one-bedroom unit. So this is just an illustration, a furniture illustration, meaning, gibutangan na mo bed, no? That's just an illustration, but it depends on the buyer how they will spruce up their area. So, one bedroom is 32 to 34, no? So, muna ang sizes. And then, this is the deliverable one-bedroom unit. Now, kindly check. Ang iyahang window is full window, no? And this is only, and can be seen in Tower 1, na ang windows full good. Okay? So, see, this is the deliverable, meaning, muna yung makita ni buyer, inig-turn over ni CLI. Okay, so this is the one-bedroom unit. Again, the windows, no? Full sad siya. Glass windows. And this is how it looks like kung butang bed, no? And then, for Terra Tower, okay, so it's a total of 16 floors, 643 units and all studio units. And then, they have gym, they have pocket gardens, and they have multi-purpose deck in the building. Okay, so as I've said, no, naka sila yung separate na amenities. Then, this is the second floor amenity areas, which na ay sharing, no? So, sa Tower 2, they have a lounge space, wellness lounge, fitness gym, indoor playground, no? And then access to the pool, same as the other building. Okay, so this is the lobby entrance of Terra Tower. So you remember I said, drop off and then mulakaw ka pa doon sa Tower 2. So that is the walkway, no? Going to Tower 2 lobby. Dili din siya pareha sa Tower 1, naog ni mo ang iyahan na dayong lobby. Kani mulakaw pa kagamay. But it's very, very nice, no? Dili siya covered walk. So, walkway dyan siya, and it's very nice. Then this is the lobby of Tower 2, Terra Tower. The lounge, no, normally when we show this to you, no, it is our moral obligation that whatever you see in the architect's perspective is what we are going to deliver. Kay bawal man, may tag nice swimming pool niya, human day sa project, asa ang swimming pool, no? So, that's why na in all our projects, no, kung unsay among ipakita na amenities like swimming pool, kids playground, naa din na siya, existing din na siya. And you can check us, no, www.sibulanmasters.com if you want further information about the company. Okay? So we have the gym, the pocket garden, no, ang katong Tower 1 na siya Zen Garden, kani pocket garden lang in the building. And then the hallway as well. Okay, now the floor plans. So, mostly siya ang floor plan sa Terra Tower. But this is very, very easy because studio man siya tanan. No, wala may one bedroom. And again, we have stipulated, no, or we have shown in the kaning layout asa ang amenity view, asa ang mountain view, no, and asa ang mountain view and amenity view. And kabalusan mo nga, asa nag-east ba, or west ba, or north ba, or south, because there is a compass there below. So, naka-point siya sa north, meaning ang kanang mga units dito nasa north. Ang diri nasa south. No? So, we're making this easy for all of you nga makasabot mo para dali ra kayo ang inyong selling process. And your journey, no? CLI would always want to be 6 to 12 floor, 14th floor, na nalay garden deck here, no? Kung mga buyers gaganahan ay garden deck, and then 15th to 16th floor. Okay? So very simple. All studio units ranging from 22 square meters to 23 square meters. Okay? So these are the residential types. Again, we're going to deliver the unit finished, meaning it is livable already. No? So one important thing is that when we deliver the unit, nana na siya kitchen-based cabinet. So meaning, na siya countertop, and then ang cabinets nasa ubos. Walay labot ang cupboard or the upper cabinets because we would like to give our unit owners the chance to have their own good kanang-ganahan sila ba. Kaya kung atong butangan yan, di sila ganahan, baka nagyapon nila. So, walay labot sa deliverables ang katong ibabaw ng cabinets. Katuran sa countertop and then sa ubos. Okay? And then, this is the deliverable studio unit of Terra. So, naa siya window, but dili lang siya full window. Half na siya. So, that is one of the difference between Tower 1 and Tower 2 because Tower 1, naka-full window. Tower 2, half lang, but na ay window. Okay, so this is the studio unit with a bed na. And then, this is the typical studio, no? So, 22.75 to 23.75. You just have to look na kanang sa atong price list, no? Okay. So, this is one of the important things. Kaya sa una to, price list. This is how it looks like sa price list ni CLI, ha? Very, very simple yun. Okay? So, first, naadiha, no? Unit. Okay? So, meaning, na floor, room number, unit, no? So, tower 2, second floor, unit number 1. So, meaning, anong unit? Type, unsay type sa unit ngayon gibaligya, studio. And then total area, meaning floor area, that's 23.19 or 22.75. Orientation, ano niya akong gingon, kabalo mo asa ang unit nag-face, south, east, west. Because ako na lang gibutan niya. Now, buyers usually ask units facing east because that is where the morning sun, no? So, kabalo na mo unsang mga units inyong baligya. And then, list price, okay? Ang kanang list price, that is the price of the unit yun. Okay? So we have transfer charge. Now, ang kanang transfer charge, i-add yun na nato sa price sa unit because that is where the titling, no, will appear. Because si Bulan Masters na yung buhat ang tanan. So kami ang magpa-title, no? And other miscellaneous mo nang na-ay transfer charge. So list price plus transfer charge equals total contract price. Now, total contract price is the overall exposure of the unit, meaning mauna gilay bayaran ni buyer. Even if mo increase ang price ni CLI, kana ra gid ang bayaran ni buyer. Okay? Di na mausab. And then reservation fee, no, is 30,000. Now, please take note, reservation fee is non-refundable, non-transferable but deductible to the contract, to the total contract price. Nanuman, no, ang kaning 30,000 is the initial payment of the buyer expressing interest in the unit na iyahang ganahan. Now that is valid for 30 days only. The moment na di siya mabayad sa iyang first equity, makancel na siya. Okay? So muna siya, dili siya pwede i-refund, no? Dili sad siya pwede i-transfer, pero kung padayuno niya ang unit, ato na nang i-deduct sa total contract price. Okay? So that is also important that your buyer will know about it. Kaya basin maningil sa CLI, wow na ho akong reservation. Nga naman ma'am, di na kong padayon. So you have to explain that, no? And then the next is the payment scheme. Now, ang payment scheme is mao ng mga payment options na we are going to offer to our buyer. No, kay lain-lain man ni siya, but kani upat ra ni kabuok. Number 1, spot cash, total contract price with 10% discount. So when we say spot cash, ang tibuok nga amount nga 4.7 bayaran ni buyer, no? But muhatag si CLI at 10% discount on the list price. Walay labot ang transfer charge. Kay bayad man na nato sa gobyerno ang transfer charge, no? Dili man ang CLI. So government na tanan. So ang asa i-apply ang 10% discount anha sa list price. Okay? Then, muna na siya, no? And then, number 2, payment scheme number 2 is spot 12% down payment. So, ang pangayoon ni CLI, 12% down payment of the total contract price. So, kuhaan na na itong 12% ang total contract price as a down payment. And then, kung number 2. And then ang balance, anak, kay down payment naman niya ibayaran, is through bank financing. Now, payment scheme number 3. This is what we call ladderized payment. No? Do you know that the ladderized payment is a very for us, for me, this is a very good payment option because you know very well na ang inyong mga prospect buyers daghang bayro nun. Correct? Eskwelahan. No? And they also have other investments. Okay? So, ang kanang ladderized will give an ease to your buyer na ang first niya nga month, barato ra. Okay? Okay. Siyempre, na pa siya yung mga daghang bayro nun. So maybe on the next 2 years, nahuman na ito yung ibayaran, so musaka na sa ta. For example, on the first 15 months, ang bayaran lang ni buyer is 7,500. Okay? Kaya assuming na pa siya daghang bayaranan. But, what if nahuman na, so on the next 21 months, musaka tagamay, that's 9,100. Okay? And then, that's 4% of the down payment. And then after 21 months, mukolekta another 5% down payment payable in 24 months. So naa na siya sa 9,900. So nagkasaka. But the good thing there is maka-benefit si buyer kay ang iyahang entry is very, very low. No, Seven, where can you find a studio unit in a high-end area? Kay, honestly, ang kanang Pristina subdivision, that is a high-end subdivision na dili ka katuko dihang balay kung dili 5 million up. No? So that is a high-end subdivision. Okay? So mo na siya na 7,500, 9,100, and then of course, kasi in 5 years, mahuman na ang iyang ubang bayranan, then they can already afford the 9,900. But if the buyer, dili ganahan anak, kay daghan siya kwarta, and then you go to payment option 4, which is 12% down payment on TCP, spread over 60 months, then it will give you 9,000. No? Then the balance is through bank financing. So, mo na siya ang amount price list. Very, very easy to interpret. Okay? But the sample computation. For example, nipili jud si buyer, no? Og 1 bedroom. Okay? Ang 1 bedroom, asa ganito? Tower 1, Lumina Tower. Okay? Now, for example, nipili siya 1 bedroom. Nganong na may 1 bedroom without parking? Kaya pwede man may mo offer of 1 bedroom with parking already. But, of course, ma-change na ang price. No? But let's go through the 1 bedroom without parking. So, floor area, no? Total contract price, reservation fee. This is the ladderized hack atong ganina akong i-mention, no? 3%, 4%, 5%, and then the balance is 88% through bank financing. So, ang floor area is 32.51. That's a 1 bedroom unit. That's 7.3 million. Okay? 30,000 in reservation. And then for the 3% DP on the 15 months, mubayad lang si buyer of 12,700. On the next 21 months, that's 14,400. And then for the next 24 months is 15,300. So ang kana siya, that is the equity of the buyer na atong giladerize, meaning nagkasaka siya as mahumana ang kanang equity sa buyer. Now the bank financing is 6.4 million, then 88% through bank financing. Now what's good about Sibulan Masters, no? Okay, we have a whole department that will take care of the loan processing of your buyers. So all the buyer needs to do is to submit the requirements na pangayuan ni CLI, then kami na ang palakaw ana, no? Either bank or pag-ibig. Meaning, katong payment option 4, it's the same floor area, total contract price, it's the same reservation fee, but we will ask for the 12% down payment on TCP, net of reservation, and then spread over 60 months. Nganong 60 months man? Because within 60 months, the building will be structurally up, meaning makita na ninyo ang building. And then that will be the time na musugod ta og finishing, and then sugod sa tag turnover. But within the span of 60 months, makita na sa buyer ang building. No? Dili ni siya kanang char-char, ha? Because you can always see our other projects nga naa na yun ang building, nisaka na yun. Because that is one of the trust ni Sibulan Masters. Aside from selling project, we are also completing all our projects, no? So makita na ninyo later on if mag-site visit mo, you will request a site visit, no? Of all our projects. Okay? So that will give you 14,200. Now, in the next 5 years, how much will 14,000 is kana na yung iyahang value because of inflation? Siguro mga 7,000 na lang ng 14,200. And of course, ang inyong mga buyer mo increase at biya ilahang sweldo in the next 5 years. So kaya nila. So if mag-shopping sila every week, if atong mall, mag-shopping na lang sila kausan, ibayad sa meeting, diba? I mean, that's investment. It will return back after the unit will be completed. Now, that is Terra Tower.
That's all for now. If you are interested with this project, kindly contact me through this.